Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Carly. If this is your first time in the house, so we made it to the top 30, guys, and today's video is gonna be an unboxing of this huge NYX box. So, but before we get right into it, I'm going to tell you the story of like how I got into the top 30. Because it's not like the usual you got into the top 30 of the NYX Face Awards. So, at first, they announced the Face Award top 30 finalists the 21 of March, and I didn't make it. And as everybody who participated in it and didn't make it to the top 30, I was bombed, obviously. So yesterday, I got an email right after I got out of class saying that you made it to the top 30 finalists. And I was like, what? Like, they choose the top 30 already? And I was like, is this real? But yes, it is real. We are here. We made it. Doesn't matter if we made it during or after. We are in, guys. And today, we're gonna unbox this baby. So I have everything right in front of me, so it would be like a nice organized haul instead of like me just like grabbing and finding. So let's just like, it's it's so much makeup, like you have no idea. I'm just gonna start like off easy and then, so first things first, basically got all of the shades of the Stay Matte But Not Flat foundations. Like, I don't know how many there are, but mama got them all. My kit is gonna be stuck up for life. I'm gonna grab over here, I don't know how many shades of this they are. This is the Away We Glow liquid highlighter, and I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 shades. So yeah, this is all the shades of the Away We Glow liquid illuminators. I'm gonna put them in the box. Cool. Next, I got like a lot. I got 1 through 3, 1 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. No, wait, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 12 shades of the Super Clicky Matte. Ooh, I thought these were glosses when they came out. So these are all the shades of the Super Clicky Matte lipsticks that I got. Yeah. Now we got these soft matte lip creams. Ooh, these are the new ones, the metallic ones.
Oh, I do speak them.
These are the new ones. I got only 3 shades. They are like very out there shades. Definitely have never worn purple lipstick, but now we're gonna try that. Oh, and we got this one. This is not a metallic. Oh yeah, this is a metallic one. And we got a nude one. Then we got the Super Epic Ink Lip Dye. So these are all the shades I got of the Epic Ink Lip Dye. I have one of these, but okay. So I have one of these, but I haven't tried it on my lips. I have swatched it, so I don't know if they're more like a gloss or like matte, like sheer. But now that I have like all these shades, I do want to get more into these. Yeah. So I got 3 of the lip plumpers. I already have one of these. I have the shade Pamela, which is like more like it's like a clear goldy type of shade. So yeah, I use them the days where I don't want like that much makeup, we just like throw it and we're out the door. So we got the clear one, and these are like metallic ones, shade Angelina Jolie, and then shade Lindsay. And next we got the NYX Liquid Sway, which is like my favorite lip formula from them. Like when I got this box, literally this white literally this was like the most exciting for me. Like I was hoping to get like a lot of these, and my favorite shade, this is the Kitten Heels, which is the one that I use on my La Diabla makeup tutorial. Ooh. Next, we got the NYX Liquid Suede lip liners, and by reading like the shade names, I just like saw that they match the Liquid Suede cream lipsticks, and I got a Kitten Heels lip liner. I'm so excited. I literally don't own a lip liner. Like, to me, lip liners are like, So I'm so happy that I got lip liners because now I get to like venture more. If I used a lip liner probably like 2 or 3 times, not much. Ooh, I'm still on the lip train. We got the This Is Everything Love Lip Balm. So we're just gonna like try this out right. Oh, it's pink. It's not that greasy, which I like. Trying it out down on camera. So we got 6 of the NYX Jumbo Eye Pencils, and the 2 that I'm like most excited about is it's like a metallic purple and blue. The purple one name is, where is it? Oh, it's in the front. Purple Velvet and Blue Cobalt. I own dark brown and milk, so we've tried, we love. So next on eyeliners, we got the NYX Vivid Bright Liners. I got 9 of them, which, okay. So we got 9, and I think this is the whole range. The one that I'm most excited about is like the pink liner, because we rarely ever see pink liners, so I'm excited to try these. So these are brow pencils. I've never seen these before, and I'm very curious because of the packaging, so I'm gonna open one right now. This is the Precision Brow Pencil. So next we've got the Tame and Frey brow pomades. This is like such a classic. I feel like everybody in the beauty community has tried this like at some point of their lives. So we got the new NYX Worth the Hype mascara, and oh, the Control Freak eyebrow gel. So let's go to like complexion, and let's start. Do we start already? Show you guys the foundation. So I'm gonna move on to primers, and I got the Born to Glow illuminating primer. I have a dry skin, so this is illuminating, so she's excited. And then I didn't know that they had this. This is a strobe cream, the Away We Glow strobing cream, and this is in the shade Glow Tinny. It's a weird name. And by the bottle, I'm guessing, ooh, it has a pump. It has a pump. This is so bougie. We love. We freaking. I love the color already. It's like a duochrome, like champagne. Ooh. And obviously, we got the classics, the matte finishing spray and the dewy finishing spray. And we also got the new micro contour sticks. We also got the Wonder Sticks. They changed the packaging. I didn't know that they did. And then for more contour stuff, we got the 3 Steps to Sculpt. I got the medium one and the deep one. And we got the Love You So Mochi highlighting palette. I'm so excited for this. When Mochi came out, the illuminating, the Away We Glow illuminating powders. We've got shade Crushed Rose, Sunset Boulevard, and Brick Road. Ooh, this is like an interesting one. It's like mauve burgundy-ish. I've never seen like a blush like this. Ooh, I would definitely use this for like eyeshadow. It's like very pretty. And then we got the Sweet Sheets blush palette. Ooh, I love this shade right here. So let's move on to eyeshadows. So one of the palettes that I got is the I Love You So Mochi palette. This is the Sleek and Chic palette. So this is the I Love You So Mochi palette, and this one has one matte shade and the other ones are shimmery, and these are like putty things. Like, I love the texture of this. So now, these are like one of my favorite palettes from NYX. These are the ultimate eyeshadow palettes. I already owned this one and the Brights one from like the first one that came out. These ones are like, you get the same shadows in different formulas. You get like a matte one, a satin slash shimmery ones, and then like a metallics. It's so pigmented. Oh yeah, we stand. So right now I'm gonna take the NYX Be Gone makeup removing wipes and I'm gonna clean my hand. And next other palettes, we got the Soft and Rosy palette. This is eyeshadow and pigment palette. It's a very mauve fall tone. So we got the NYX Contour Intuitive palette, and this is like a face sculpting and eyeshadow palette. So you get 2 highlighters, a blush, and 6 eyeshadows. And this is the Plum Metal ones. And we got the Warm Zone, and I love this eyeshadow looks on the back. They are so pretty. Yes, girl. Pigments, we got 4 pigments. We got shade, I don't know how to pronounce this, Venetian shade, and we got Vegas Baby, Metallic Velvet. We got Sonar, and along that we got the new pigment primer. We got a few sponges from NYX along with their face sponge. And we got some like, I'm so excited. Ever since like the NYX Face Awards USA from like a few years ago, this one's came out, and like I needed to get these like on my hands immediately, but they don't sell them here in Puerto Rico. So girl, now we got them and we live for them. I got 6 shades, a green, thank you. We got a gold one, silver, white, and this is like a fuchsia type of color, and a brown one. And also along with that we got the SFX setting powder. This is the new NYX Cream Contour Palette. So I didn't know that they were coming out with this, and I saw it on the store and I was like, oh. And I like the contours are pretty cool toned. So we live, and you get like one. Oh, it's so clean. Stand, we live. We got brushes too. And we got a little makeup bag, which is a double. Ooh, you get to put your brushes in here. Ooh. And then here you put your makeup, and it has like another zipper right here. And of course, we got the NYX brush holder. Oh my god, guys, that was everything from the box. As you can see, it was like a lot. So yeah, guys, this is all for my haul. Tomorrow they announce the new challenge, so stay tuned for that on all my social media, which will be in the description box. In the description box down below, and make and I'm really counting with all of you guys support, and I hope that you guys vote for me and help me move on to the next challenges. So yeah, this is it for today's video, and also I'll be doing like a 1 brand makeup tutorial from NYX from all of the huge makeup that I got here. Thank you for watching, and see you on the next one. Bye guys.